Natural feeding with a variety of meats, veggies, supplements, and raw bone. I am convinced that this is the pathway to optimal health. First, we start with the various supplements: a little alfalfa, turmeric, centrum, ginger, sacred clay, of course, vitamin C, a little bit of coconut oil, brewer's yeast, a dab of canine complete, and some chia seeds. Centrum. Always get that. You get half an alfalfa. You get a vitamin C. A little bit of brewer's yeast. This is what keeps the ticks away. Coconut oil. Next come the veggies. We have some broccoli, crowns removed, sweet potato, carrots, green beans, and Swiss chard. Needs to be cleaned and cooked. This is actually 3 days worth. Trying to get a little ahead of the curve. Chop it so that we can cook it. And the reason we cook it is because when the animals eat in the wild, they eat the intestines of their prey, where the vegetables are already partially digested. So we try and mimic that here in the kitchen. And when the veggies are done, they look like that, all finely chopped and ready to be cooked. All the while, the boys wait patiently. Elroy, are you hungry? You want your doggy food? I know you do. Where's Blue? Where's Blue? Where is he? Blue, are you waiting patiently for your doggy food too? It's coming. And while the veggies are cooking, we prepare all of the proteins, a variety including beef, heart, ground venison, beef liver, rabbit, chicken, lamb, and their favorite, ground bone. We also have whole chicken necks. We'll be getting to those in a few minutes. Next, all the meats get thrown in on top of the veggies for a quick flip and turn. And then we dump it on top of the bone, the raw chicken bone, which is already there in the pot. We stir up the mix. There's only one way to do this properly, of course. And the boys continue to wait. Right, Elroy? Your doggy food's almost ready. After portioning the dog food, we add the raw chicken necks, which are their favorite, always the first thing they eat, as they continue to wait patiently. Are you hungry, Elroy? You hungry? Doggy food's almost ready. How you, Blue? Blue's a little more mellow, but he's hungry too. A couple of sunny side up eggs, and the final assembly. Eggs, sardines. Blue gets a little brownie. It's not really a brownie, it's a little tosamine because he's an old boy. And then the boys know it's about that time. Elroy, you want that doggy food? Are you very hungry? Blue, you want your doggy food? Are you very hungry too? Blue gets his first. Elroy, sit. Wait. Boo-Boo gets his first because he's the old boy. Come on, Blue. Here we go. Here we go. Good job. Good job. Elroy, sit. Elroy, can you wave? Give me a good wave. Wave. Elroy. Yes. Elroy, sit pretty. Sit pretty. Yes. Bang. Yes. Good job. Let's go get your food. All right. Here it comes. Here it comes. All right, you have to go back. 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 Back, 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 back. Leave it. Leave it. Wait. What do we do before we eat? We have to give Daddy a kiss. Wait a minute. Give Daddy a kiss. Kiss. Good boy. All right. All right. Good job. And that, folks, is how it's done.